Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to reduce video size and file size using Microsoft PowerPoint, specifically for sharing videos via social media platforms. If you have ever struggled with large video files that take forever to send or upload, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to make your videos more shareable without sacrificing quality. Let's jump right in. To get started, open Microsoft PowerPoint and create a new presentation. Now, click on the Insert tab in the PowerPoint ribbon and choose Video. Select this device to insert a video file from your computer. Browse your computer and select the video you want to insert. Click Insert and your video will be added to the slide. Now, click on File tab and choose Export. Click on Create a Video. Once you have selected Create a Video, you will notice a drop-down list on the right-hand side offering various quality options, ranging from 4K to Standard. For optimal results, choose Standard from the list. After selecting Standard, proceed by clicking on the Create Video button. Browse for your preferred save location. Next, provide a name for the file. Then, click Save to initiate the conversion process. Please be patient and wait until the conversion is complete. You now have a smaller video file. And there you have it. You've learned how to reduce video size and file size using PowerPoint 2019, making your videos more manageable for sharing on social media platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.